Chapter 10, What is a confidence interval? Let's find out. When we collect a sample and compute a statistic like the sample mean, that single number is called a point estimate. For example, x bar equals 183, but a single number doesn't tell us how precise the estimate is. An interval estimate surrounds the point estimate with a margin of error, creating a range of plausible values for the parameter. This range is what we call a confidence interval. Here is the key idea behind confidence intervals. Imagine taking many independent random samples from the same population and computing a 95% confidence interval from each sample. Each sample gives a slightly different interval. Some intervals capture the true population mean mu, shown in green, while a few miss it, shown in red. In the long run, about 95% of all such intervals will contain the true value of mu. That is what 95% confidence means. Be careful with interpretation. It is wrong to say there is a 95% chance the true mean lies in this particular interval. The true mean is fixed. It is either in the interval or it is not. It is also wrong to say 95% of the data fall within the interval. The interval is about the parameter, not individual data points. The correct interpretation is, if we repeated sampling many times, about 95% of the resulting intervals would capture the true population parameter. Let's label the parts of a confidence interval. At the center is the point estimate, x bar. The lower confidence limit, or LCL, and the upper confidence limit, UCL, mark the boundaries. The distance from the point estimate to either boundary is the margin of error, m, so the confidence interval equals x bar plus or minus m. Let's recap. A confidence interval gives a range of plausible values for a population parameter. A 95% confidence level means that if we repeated our sampling procedure many times, about 95% of the resulting intervals would capture the true value. Remember, the CI is not about individual data points, and its structure is simply the point estimate plus or minus the margin of error.